Okay, here we are. So this is the part of my mini repeating crossbow that could shoot arrow and steel ball. Yes, it could shoot arrow and steel ball. So I didn't show you how I cut all of this because I only use scroll saw and mini table saw. Here I would like to explain you a little bit about how it works. So here there is a bow. This is the main part of the mini repeating crossbow. We have bow, we have the magazine here. The magazine could load until 4 arrows. You can upgrade until 15 depending on the size of the magazine. And this is the back handle, and then we have the main part here. So the main part is a little bit complicated. That's the reason I didn't show you the process of make it, and I don't suggest you to make it because it is complicated. Everything should be really precision, and I did a lot of work on it. So first try fail, and then second, and then third, and then the fourth I got the problem, and then this is the final result. Okay, so here I would like to explain you about the mechanism. So over here, this is the magazine for the steel ball. So this is just a normal toothpaste cover. So you open it, put the steel ball, and then the steel ball will go down one by one, very similar like my previous content. And then the trigger will be here. So here we have the trigger. Okay, sorry. Okay, the string is down here. This small string. Put it there. Okay, and then this is the ammo holder. And because there's a nail down here, we cannot put it like that. Okay, and then there is a string here, and then after that we just cover it, and let's start to assemble it. It will be fun for me. Okay, so hope you will like it.